Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher, Nisha Said. Today I am going to deliver lecture number 1 of unit number 12 under the title of Good Study Habits. After this lecture, you will be able to use past continuous tense for actions that were in progress at some times in the past and to give a descriptive background to the narrative account. In Quran, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala said, "And he, peace be upon him, the day he was born, and the day he was died, and the day he is raised alive." The word was and raised represent past tense. तो आप लोग टेक्निकली ग्रेड 3 एंड ग्रेड 4 में पढ़ चुके हैं. Let's move to our today's topic, that is about past continuous tense. My dear students, we use past continuous tense to express an ongoing, which is in progress, action which occurred in the past. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हम लोग उन एक्शंस के बारे में करते हैं जो हमने पास्ट में कंटिन्यू किए होते हैं, बट वो कंटिन्यू होते हैं, वो स्टिल कंटिन्यू कंडीशन होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही वाज लाफिंग, वो हंस रहा है, means in past it is still in progress. And another example is he was reading a book. The word was represents past continuous tense. What is auxiliary verbs? These are also known as helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are words used with main verb to show the tense of verb. Auxiliary verb main verb के साथ यूज होते हैं जो उस सेंटेंस के टेंस को बताते हैं, मींस जमाने को बताते हैं कि वो टेंस किस टाइम पर हो रहा है, either it is happening in present, past or in the future. For example, in past continuous tense we will use was and were. Let's move to the sentence structure of past continuous tense. For present continuous tense, this simple sentence structure we use. Positive sentences, that is also known as affirmative sentence, which narrate simple fact in simple words. For example, in present positive sentences, we place subject at the first. After subject, we put auxiliary words, and then main words and last object. The question is, what is subject? Subject is doer of the action, a person who do the action, who does the action. Auxiliary words are the words that support main word. For example, we are using was and were. So these are auxiliary words that we use in positive sentences. Then is the main word, is the main action of the word. For example, in this sentence, if we read the sentence, say the sentence, he was reading a book. Here, was is auxiliary word that support the main word reading, main action of the sentence. And then object, receiver of the action. In positive sentences, we just simply do subject, word, auxiliary word was were, first form of word plus ing, past participle form of the word, and then object. Where we use was and were. If our subject is he, she, it, I, or any third person, singular third person, then we will use was auxiliary word. And if our subject is you, we, they, and any plural noun, then we use word. For example, she was playing yesterday. When she was playing? Yesterday. This action is still in progress. Here, was is auxiliary verb, she is our subject, playing is the participle form of the verb, and yesterday is adverb. Next is negative sentence. Negative sentence in which we negate the sentence. We use not in negative sentence to negate something. For example, in let's say this formula, it is similar to this one, but we use not after was and were. For example, she was not playing yesterday. This sentence is mostly similar to the positive sentence, but we use not after auxiliary word. Was and were are auxiliary, and we will use not after auxiliary word. You can also convert this sentence into negative, like he was reading a book, he was not reading a book. He was laughing, he was not laughing. Then here we are using not after auxiliary word. Next is interrogative sentences. Interrogative and usually these sentences ends in a question mark. We have to put a question mark at the end of every question in interrogative sentences. Let's see its formula. How to write negative sentences. In the sentences, we put our auxiliary verbs at the start of the sentence. Where we are using our auxiliary verb? At the first. In the first of the sentences, we will use auxiliary verbs, was and were. And after that sentence is totally similar to the positive sentence, we use subject, first form of the verb, main verb, ing, and then object. Let's see example. Was she playing yesterday? क्या वो कल खेल रही थी? We are using was in the start of the sentence. We are using was. That is auxiliary verb, and then she is subject of the sentence. Playing is the main action, main verb, and yesterday is again the verb. So here it is past continuous tense. My dear students, hope you understand it well. If you don't, now students, it's activity time. Do question number 5 given on your book, page number 94. Share your ideas with your fellows and write at least 10 sentences by using past continuous tense and make a table. Now I'm going to give you homework too. What you have to do in your homework, write 10 sentences using past continuous tense on your notebook. See you later. Allah Hafiz.